Hello again and welcome to X5 Space Box Breaks. This is box 3 of 11-12 Panini Contenders. This is the last auction up for bid. Ended at 9:34 Eastern Standard Time. This was the Winnipeg Jets that sold to E-Froggy 15. Real quickly, here's the box with the serial number on the side. There you go. Alright. So, sorry guys. There we go. Alright. And quickly, here's our list of winners with their teams. Alright, we have 18 packs, 5 cards per pack. Here's our empty box. Okay, here we go everyone, good luck. Base. We have our first hit to the Colorado Avalanche. Cup Contenders out of 9.99. Matt Duchene goes to E-Froggy 15. Base. Base. Ooh, we have a hit. Autograph rookie auto for the Phoenix Coyotes, E-Froggy 15 of Andy Mealy. It's not numbered. Still cool auto. You might have one of my favorite autographs. Not like that really means a whole lot, but looks pretty cool. Base. Ooh, we have a hit. We have a hit for the Philadelphia Flyers Marathon 20. It is a gold base parallel for the Philadelphia Flyers, Jaromir Jagr, numbered 100 out of 100. Pretty cool. Last one made. Funny little info on this card. On the back, it's an error. It says that he played for Montreal the last 3 years. Definitely didn't happen. Still a cool card. They obviously didn't. Apparently, they fixed that error on some of the later releases. So this was obviously an earlier case that was sent out. Case. Base. Base. Holy crap. Let's save that one for last. Is it a decoy? Is it a jersey? Oh, we have a redemption. Calder Contenders signatures, which are out of 800 for the Anaheim Ducks. Devontae Smith-Pelly, card number 201. And that's a Calder Contenders autograph.